All right, folks, you know what it is. It's time for that end of day report. So let's jump right into it. All right, so we're going to start off with our crypto segment. The first chart we got in front of us is ADA Cardano. We have a rally alert for tonight into tomorrow's trading on ADA Cardano. Looks like the market wants to try to rally yet again and get itself back into the Kumo cloud. Next up, we have a Litecoin, and Litecoin has a looks like it's a breakout candidate where it can go either way. Looks like it could have one more down leg coming, but because we're under the auspices of this rally alert, if we do get that down leg tonight into tomorrow, we'll probably also get a primary crash alert like this. So we'll see. This one's at a crossroads. It's either going to break out or break down. It may even try to do both. So this one's a breakout candidate on Litecoin. Taking a look at the next one here, we have Theta. And Theta right now, I'm looking for this one to break out between tonight and tomorrow's trading. Looking for some upside, looking for the market to get back over the Kumo cloud and start to deal with the resistance around the $1.30 level. And last but not least is your XRP Ripple. XRP Ripple has a rally alert for tonight into tomorrow's trading, and it's right here at two key resistance levels, which is corresponding to both the bottom and the top of the Kumo cloud. If successful, this market could get back above 40 cents and then back up into the stratosphere. So this one is a very interesting one to watch as well. All right, let's take a look at our next charts. Give me just a second. All right, so our next things we're going to look at here real quick is we're going to look at some Forex. Forex has been interesting also. There's a lot of talk about, hyperinflationary aspects of the global economy right now. And everyone's feeling the supply crunch issue, and there is a massive amount of layoffs coming, in the fall. So there's just a lot going on in the markets right now. So a lot of countries are having their backs against the wall as well. So I think it's definitely important to take a look at what some of these countries' economies are starting to look like. And I think the currencies tell the full picture. So that's why we're going to examine these now so you can get an understanding on what's going on in your country, in your neck of the woods. All right, you're going to start off with the Australian dollar. So the Australian dollar for tonight into tomorrow's trading, we're looking for upside. We're looking for the market to attempt to break out of the Kumo cloud and really challenge that upper level of resistance. And if it can do this, then we're looking for this market to run back up to the 78 handle. That's right. Get out of the 60s and get back up to that 78 handle. Next up is the Canadian dollar. So the Canadian dollar as well is looking to power up here. I'm looking for more upside tonight into tomorrow's trading for the Canadian dollar as well. Next up, we have the Cad Yen. As you can see here, the Cad Yen has a primary crash alert for tonight into tomorrow's trading. I think this one has the potential to crash back below the Kumo cloud and possibly even break below par. That's right, break below 100 and get into free fall. So I believe that that is inevitable for the Cad Yen at this point because it's been in the bubble box, the bullish bubble box, for quite some time. And I think the handwriting's on the wall, ladies and gentlemen. We've already crossed over from that bullish momentum phase to a bearish momentum phase. And we already had the primary crash alert here. Now we're getting another one here. Yeah, I think this one is showing signs that the bull market run may about to be over. All right, next up we have the euro currency here. All right, and you can see here that this euro dollar has already been in a bear market, but I have a rally alert for tonight into tomorrow's trading, as I think the euro is going to do everything it can to get a good solid close above par. So definitely watching this one to the upside for tonight into tomorrow's trading. The euro yen, which is usually a proxy for the U.S. stock indices. So we hit another weekly high, and I think that this one is really trying to squeeze all of the longs up out of it that it can before it makes its final push. So the play tomorrow on this one is definitely in a consolidated market. So euro yen is keenly consolidated. That means I see nothing happening on this one at all. It's not ready to do jack. It is consolidating. It's not ready to go down, and it's not ready to go up. It's not ready to do anything at all. So I thought I would bring that to your attention. I thought you would like to know that this market is no signal for tomorrow, for tonight into tomorrow's trading. The pound sterling has been another interesting one, a lot of talk. This one has downward momentum, so I'm anticipating that this one is going to fall down as well. Down she goes. All right, so I think the bears are going to win out on this particular market, so prepare yourself. And we've been hitting 52-week lows here, and I think we're about to put in a new leg down even further in your British pound. All right, the Hong Kong dollar, this one's still trying to push higher, so I see nothing but bullishness in this particular market for now. I don't see anything else happening here. These are very interesting markets, to say the least. Yep, most definitely. All right, next up is the Japanese yen. So on the Japanese yen, we have ourselves a breakout candidate here as well. Believe it or not, despite the bounce up you see, the bears are still in control of this market. And I think the market is trying to tell us something. So it's going to probably break out first before it breaks back down again. But that's what I see happening on this one. I think this one is topping out. I think this is going to be a failed break. If you can't get a break and a good close above 140, then I think this one's done on the top side. I think it's finished. All right, next up we got, let's see here. Yeah, this one's been interesting. This has been in the news, the lira, the Turkish lira. Let me just show you this one. All right, so we're looking at this one is looking like it wants to fall down. So I'm looking at some downside momentum starting to build on this one. This is starting to look like a big crash alert is setting itself up on the Turkish lira. You had a nice run. Look how long this thing ran from the last buy signal. All this upside production, but now I think that is about to come to a close. All right. That's all I got time for tonight. Go to PulseWaveTrading.com. Take the 14-day challenge. See how much money you can make with the pulse waves over the next 14 days. I think you will be quite impressed with what you're able to do. Let's go to PulseWaveTrading.com for free. You can sign up, receive these pulse wave reports, and you can trade alongside yours truly. See the trades I'm making, trade alongside me. See how much money you can make over the next 14 days. And with that being said, remember, bulls make money, bears make money, and pigs get slaughtered. So remember to take what you can and give nothing back. And I'm out. Peace.